So your HP printer just stopped showing up on your Windows 11? This happens way often than you think, especially with Windows 11. And the good news is that it's always fixable. Most of the time, it's just a driver issue, or maybe some background service needs a restart. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 dead simple methods that'll get your Windows 11 detecting your HP printer again in just a few minutes. Or if you need extra help along the way, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Update printer driver. First, click on the Start menu, type in Device Manager and open it. Inside Device Manager, look for Print Queues section and click on it to expand it. You should see your printer listed there. Find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. When the Update Driver window opens, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then go out. Find the latest driver update for your printer and install it automatically. If that doesn't fix it, don't worry, we've got another method to try. Let's run the built-in Printer Troubleshooter. Method 2. Run Printer Troubleshooter. Go to your desktop, then click on the Start button. Now, open Settings. In the Settings window, open the System tab. Then, scroll down a bit and look for the option called Troubleshoot. Click on that. Under Troubleshoot, you'll see a bunch of options. Click on Other Troubleshooters. On the next screen, you're looking for something related to your printer. Look for Printer and click on the Run button next to it. Now, just sit back and let the system do its thing. Windows will detect any problem with your printer and automatically fix them for you. Still not detecting? No problem. We've got one more method that usually does the trick. Let's restart the Print Spooler service. Method 3. Restart the Print Spooler service. First, go ahead and open the Services window on your computer. You can do this by searching for Services in the Start menu. Now, scroll down through the list until you find Print Spooler. Once you see it, double-click on it and open its settings. Look for the Startup Type option. Make sure it's set to Automatic. If it's set to something else, click on the drop-down and change it to Automatic. Next, check the Service Status section. You just want to see it says running. If it's not running, that is your problem. Once you've confirmed everything is set correctly, click on Apply and then hit OK to save all your changes. Finally, right-click on the Print Spooler option one more time and then click on Restart. This will restart the service and hopefully get your printer detected again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.